Advocate recognizes that our health and well-being and the health of the environment are closely linked. Our annual Healthy Environment Awards honor associates nominated by their peers who are taking important steps to protect the environment and promote personal health. We are inspired by all of our 25 award recipients. Here are just 2 of their stories.
I love working with families. I love working with the kids. I'm a pediatric nurse on the general pediatric floor at Advocate Children's Hospital. It's an awesome job. I grew up on the northwest side of Chicago, and my parents were unfortunately obese. I became really interested in health and stuff when I was watching what was happening in my home. I started working out in my room. I was very young. I was 10 years old. I had my Jane Fonda workout book. It just developed into its own kind of thing. Well, I've always been somebody with an affinity toward natural health and holistic treatments. When we're doing procedures that are painful, like placing an IV, we make it as painless as possible, but there's still fear, and I use some breath work. I just guide them through breathing, one breath at a time. And so, healing can start from within. I think I love community sports. I've done 200-mile relay races, that's my favorite. Done bike rides through Iowa from one end to the other, a marathon and several half marathons and 5Ks and 10Ks. I always think of my daughters. I was always a single mom and they were watching me, and I wanted to be a really good example of taking care of myself. The things I've gotten along the way, whether they were medals or just, the thrill of doing something or the partnership and community, all that stuff, that's awesome, but I feel like this is like an official recognition that you're paying attention, you're taking care of yourself and paying attention to what you eat and how you move through your life, and I'm really proud of that.
I feel very fortunate that Advocate has a sustainability mission. And how it all started, we were cleaning up closets for the AOS project, and we realized that there were a lot of things that, in addition to expired meds, that we should be a little bit more environmentally sound in how we dispose of those. So we had some electronic equipment, some pacer check equipment, cardboard, plastic. We then realized that we should probably be recycling batteries as well. We're trying to eliminate plasticware and styrofoam cups in our break room. I'm definitely very proud of our green team. They have really stepped up to the challenge. We did a shoe drive through a local church, donating shoes to Haiti. We set a goal of 100 shoes, and the team surpassed that with 200. I've always had an interest in being environmental, so we've chosen to get a hybrid as one of our vehicles. We carpool as often as we can. I've ridden my bike to work. It's all those little steps together combined that you kind of start making an impact and feeling better about what you're doing.
Advocate is committed to providing a safe and healthy environment for our patients, physicians, associates, and volunteers. We are focused on the greening of healthcare because it's the right thing to do. Caring for our Earth is strongly connected to our mission to serve the health needs of individuals, families, and communities without compromising the resources needed for our future generations.